Hey traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, where we turn simple setups into powerful trading results. Today, I'm going to share a 1-minute pocket option strategy that's so clear and simple, you can learn it in just 6 minutes. We're talking 15-second candles, 1-minute expiry, and 3 easy confirmations that can help filter out bad trades. And the results? Well, let's just say you'll want to watch until the end. Check this out. 6 wins in a row, no complicated indicators, no crazy settings, just a simple plan that works when you follow the rules. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the exact indicator settings, the trading rules, and my live trades so you can see exactly how it works. Before we start, remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Binary options trading involves risk, so never trade with money you can't afford to lose. All right, let's get your chart ready. First, we'll set up the Keltner Channel, then EMA Trend Filter, and finally our Stochastic Oscillator. This is where the magic starts. Let's set this up so you can follow along exactly. Step 1, add the Keltner Channel. EMA Period, 30. ATR Period, 15. Multiplier, 2. Style it so you can clearly see the upper, middle, and lower bands. Step 2, add the EMA 200. This is our trend filter. If price is above it, we're looking for buys. If below, we're looking for sells. Step 3, add the Stochastic Oscillator. Settings, %K14, %D3, smoothing 3. Levels, 80 for overbought, 20 for oversold. That's it. Your chart is now ready for action. Here's how the strategy works. We use 3 confirmations before taking a trade. For a buy trade, price must be above the EMA 200. That means the market is trending up. Price touches or slightly breaks the lower Keltner band. The stochastic is in the oversold zone, below 20, and starting to turn upward. Once you have all 3 confirmations, enter a 1-minute buy at the close of the candle. For a sell trade, price must be below the EMA 200, so the market is trending down. Price touches or slightly breaks the upper Keltner band. The stochastic is in the overbought zone, above 80, and starting to turn downward. When all 3 match, take a 1-minute sell at the close of the candle. Quick tips: trade during the London and New York session overlap for more reliable moves. Avoid trading 30 minutes before and after major economic news. And remember, patience is key. Wait for all 3 confirmations before entering. Everything, including indicator settings and extra tips, is in the description below, so check that out later. Alright, let's take this strategy live on Pocket Option and see how it performs in real market conditions. Let's jump to the chart. Alright traders, here's our setup for a buy trade. Price is above the EMA 200, which means we're in an uptrend. The candle has just touched the lower Keltner band, and the stochastic is deep in the oversold zone and starting to curve upward. That's all 3 confirmations in place, so I'm entering a 1-minute buy trade right here. Now the key here is patience. We don't panic if the price wobbles a bit. Notice how after touching the lower band, the market is already starting to push upward. The EMA 200 is holding strong below the price, which is giving extra confidence to this trade. This is where discipline pays off. No chasing, no doubling up, just sticking to the plan. And there we go. Trade closed in profit. That's a clean example of how waiting for all 3 confirmations can lead to high probability entries. Even with a small pullback at the start, the market respected our trend filter and bounced right from the lower Keltner band. Let's move on to the next setup and see if we can keep the win streak going. Here's our next setup, a sell trade. Price is clearly below the EMA 200, meaning we're in a downtrend. The candle has near the upper Keltner band, and the stochastic is in the overbought zone, starting to turn downward. We've also got one solid bearish candle forming here, confirming sellers are stepping in. That's all the confirmation I need. I'm entering a 1-minute putt right now. Now watch how the market reacts after touching the upper band. Sellers are pushing the price back down, and the stochastic is crossing down, which is exactly what we want to see. Here's a little bonus tip. For a sell trade, always look for at least 1 strong bearish candle as an extra confirmation. And for a buy trade, look for at least 1 strong bullish candle. This simple tweak can filter out many false signals and make your entries even more reliable. And that's another win. Price respected the trend, rejected the upper Keltner band, and followed through exactly as planned. This is why I love triple confirmation. It keeps you disciplined and filters out a lot of bad trades. Here's our next setup, a buy trade. Price is above the EMA 200, confirming an uptrend. The candle has just touched the lower Keltner band, and the stochastic is deep in the oversold zone, starting to turn upward. That's my green light. I'm taking a 1-minute buy right here. Here's a bonus tip to make this strategy even stronger. For a buy trade, look for setups where the price has moved from the upper Keltner band all the way down to the lower Keltner band. For a sell trade, it's the opposite. From the lower Keltner band up to the upper Keltner band. This shows you the market has already stretched in one direction, making a reversal more likely. And there it is, another clean win. The price bounced perfectly from the lower band, respected our trend filter, and pushed right back up. That's why waiting for all confirmations and using that extra band-to-band tip can really improve your accuracy. If you found value in this video, hit like so more traders can discover it, and subscribe to Sam Trading Strategies so you don't miss my next live test. Trade safe, follow your rules, and I'll see you in the next one.